purpose of this video is to show you how to set up a Trimble 5600 series robot, eliminating the now banned or illegal UHF radios that it was originally supplied with. You can now eliminate those and use long-range Bluetooth adapters and still use the gun effectively. Basically using a Trimble battery supply, the 5600 gun, a Recon data collector, the original 360 Prism and power supply, and two Sina Pirani SD1000 Bluetooth serial adapters. I will show you how to set up the gun, the data collector for the gun, and then also how to pair and use the Bluetooth adapters as well. Okay, we're going to show you how to set up the data collector to talk to these Bluetooth connectors and the gun using Survey Pro. So I'm going to open a job called Test and then go to the Equipment button, and I am going to go to Manage Instruments. I already created a 5600 Bluetooth instrument, and I will show you what settings to use. It's, you name it whatever you want. Trimble Direct Connect 5600 Auto Detect is the model, using COM1. And it's important to understand that we're actually using this gun and data collector connected directly to it via wire rather than radios. And then what we do is we connect to the gun just like we would, it's standing behind the gun using the data collector hardwired. Then we use the Pirani SD1000 Bluetooth connectors as essentially a 1,000-foot long extension cord. And I'll show you how to do that next. These are two Sina Pirani SD1000 Bluetooth adapters. They're real easy to set up. You simply make sure that the dip switches in here are set at the identical settings on each unit. Turn on the unit. Turn on both of them. Take a paper clip, and there's a little pairing button that you push here and there, and you'll watch the lights go from mode, flash on mode, to connect. And when they are connected and talking to each other, you'll see that the connect light is flashing. Okay, we have the data collector set up on the instrument that we just created in the data collector and connected to that instrument. In Survey Pro the bubble comes up, that looks good. So we are going to initialize the compensator. The gun should turn. And when that's done, we can go and switch to Bluetooth and go remote rather than being connected. Okay, so that looks good. And what we'll do is we'll show the data collector in the traverse mode so you can see. Okay, so right now it's reading, giving a readout. You can see as you turn the gun, it's connecting with that readout. Now I'm going to disconnect the wire from the data collector and connect that wire to the Bluetooth adapter. You'll see that we've lost connection from the gun to the data collector, and now I'm going to connect the other Bluetooth adapter directly to the data collector. And what that does is it restores the connection, and I can go remote now. You see, if we move the gun, the readout is there. Okay, we are connected via Bluetooth, and I've walked a couple 100 feet away from the gun, and I am going to have the gun search and locate me. We've got auto lock. I'm gonna have it take a shot. And you can see we're 185 feet away. There's the horizontal angle. I can move it around. Stores another shot.